Natural Beauty, that's you ladies. How y'all doing today? Hope y'all having a blessed day because I am. So today is going to be a real quick video. It's not going to be that long. Hope not. It shouldn't be. But I just wanted to show y'all this package that I received today. I don't know what's in it, but I do know where it's from. And let's open it up and see what it is. Hey, my natural beauty, natural you ladies. Welcome to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm a YouTuber and hairstylist. My dream is to open up a natural hair salon and natural hair stores across the United States. I'm a wife and the mother of two girls. I'm a spiritual and Christian woman. I love helping people on their hair journey and giving out spiritual encouraging words and songs that can help you along your way. If you're not doing so, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button so you won't miss any videos. I hope you will continue to watch and enjoy this video and be blessed. I woke up this morning like, what I gotta worry about. Okay, y'all. So, finally, I joined. I finally joined. I've been wanting to join for a long time, but every time I tried to join, I wasn't able to join. So, finally, your girl joined. Your girl actually joined. Man, what you talking about? What you doing? Carrot Kit. I joined. So I wonder what product they sent me. I hope it's the Jackie New products because I've been wanting to try it out for the longest and it's not even in stores. So I've been seeing other YouTubers, you know, like Curly Tails and other YouTubers. They've been trying the Ain't Jackie products, but they've been getting it from the Curl Kit or Curl Box. Is it two different ones? Y'all let me know if it's two different companies like Curl Kit, Curl Box, something like that. But whatever one you with, you know, I've been seeing y'all using it and they've been sending it to y'all. And I'm like, I've been trying to join, but I guess you got to join the certain season or a certain month when they are doing it for everybody to join. So yeah, so I finally joined and it's finally here. So let's see what it is. Lord, y'all pray with me. Lord, let it be the new Ain't Jackie product because I want to try it so bad, but it's not available in stores. And I want to try it. If not, I'm going to have to go on Jackie's website, see if I can order it like that. I don't know, but Jesus Christ. Okay, so I got my eyes closed. You close your eyes. I'm going to open. Then I'm going to be like 1, 2, 3, okay? Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3. What is it? Oh, wait, okay. 1, wait, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's try again. 1, 2, 3. What? Okay, let's see what I got. Let's see. Okay. Well, you know what? God knows what I need. You know what I'm saying? Because I am running out of this. This right here. And y'all seen in my videos, I use it for my kids to detangle their hair. You know. So look, I'm down to the bottom, and I was just telling myself, you know, when I get ready to go shopping to the store this weekend, I got to get some more of this, and thank God they sent me, so I don't have to get this. Okay. Let's see what else. Let's see. Okay, shea moisturizer. Raw shea butter hydrating facial wipes. Okay. Smooth normal to dry skin. Remove makeup or dirt without rinsing or drying. Alright, well I'm not a real big makeup fan. Yeah, I know I do the eyeshadow sometimes just for the heck of it, but I mean, alright. I probably will just try it out to see how my skin feels smooth. If not, I get my sister because she wears makeup, stuff like that. Okay, and also we have this natural protein coconut restore coconut cocktail curl mousse. Okay. Never heard this before. Never tried this before. But I'm anxious to try to see NP. Free from sulfate, paraben. Okay, artificial dye. Okay. Coconut. Alright, so hey, I want to try it out. And see, can give me some curls or maybe do a good hair rod set. Okay, new and approved. Sunnyland leave-in, not free, forever, detangle and condition. Okay, so I never use anything by Sun. Well, you know what? A couple years ago, I was using the Jamaican oil. I did remember using Sun. I went to, cause y'all know I'm from Georgia, so when I go to hair shows, it be up in Atlanta, you know. So, when I went to the hair show, I want to say 2 years ago, something like that. I did manage to buy the Sunny um, out of Jamaican oil. So I did. So I have used something about the product. So I haven't used nothing else. So but I haven't used it in a while. Like I think once I stopped using that, once it was gone, I ain't purchased no more. Wonder how it smells. All right. It just smells. It's infused with some of the Jamaican black castor oil. Can y'all see? They say that it's infused with some of the black Jamaican castor oil. Y'all probably can't, but that's what it say down there in the black rectangular box. Okay. Alright, so first box ain't too bad. I was hoping that I would get like the new Aunt Jackie stuff. But it's alright. Maybe the next box, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna wait the next one to see. Um, okay, so I never seen this before. Candy curls. Sweet treat for your curls with natural ingredients. So it's a little book pamphlet. I never seen this. I'm on YouTube to see if any other, y'all, my fellow YouTubers tried it before and see how it did on y'all. But it's just a little pamphlet book. Okay. Alright. Alright then. Alrighty y'all, so that is it. Really cute picture. Really box. That's a cute box though for something. I think I might use it for something in the salon. I might collect these boxes, I don't know. But it's a good sturdy box. It's not like a weak, box. Yeah, I can use it for something. Alright y'all, so that's gonna do it for this video. I just wanted to come let y'all know that I finally joined the Curl Kit. And just see what all they sent me. So I'm glad that they sent me some more of the Just For Me, the Tangle Spray for my kids' hair. And I am gonna be trying their mousse. I don't know when, but I will try. And I don't know if I be trying this Sunny you know, how's leave-in detangling and conditioner. I might try as a detangler. I might try one day just to see how well it can tangle my hair, but it's a small one, so it's not even like big. So I been able to use this up quickly with my thick hair, y'all. So yeah. Well, all right, y'all. So that's gonna do it for this video. Thank y'all for hanging out with me for this little short tutorial. Because I just wanted y'all to see that I finally joined the Carol Kit and the items that they sent me. And praying and hoping this time I will get what I want. But if not, that's all right. I'll find a way. See if I can go to HJK website, whatever website, and order the new HJK products because I'm so anxious to try. Y'all know, I done told y'all before, HJK is, I love HJK products. They look good on my hair. So, yeah. Alright, so that's gonna do it for this video. I will see y'all in the next video. So, bye. I love y'all. Take care. And peace. Woo, I'm crazy.